Long time no see, fellow brewtubers. Welcome at long last to the Old Farts Brewery. Been a long time, I know, and well, where have I been? Well, long story short, because I don't want to dwell on it, but just after Christmas I woke up in bed and couldn't move, and went to the doctors, found out that I got Polymyalgia Rheumatica, or PMR. I don't know how to pronounce it, never mind what it's all about, but basically it's the immune system that's been attacked or not working or some such thing, and I found myself a bit immobilised for several months, about 4 months off work I guess, and now the good news is that I've retired. I've not got over the illness, unfortunately, and it'll take several years I think to get over it, but I am managing to mask it and get mobile again by using steroids, and obviously I'm putting on weight from that effect, but that's enough of my problems. I'm back in the brew shed. I've not done any brewing for 7-8 months I guess, so it's time to get cracking. So I've almost run out of beer. I've got a Guinness extra stout that I did before Christmas, which is on the last dregs, and all the rest of it is all gone. So I've got my emergency ration there that I don't want to touch because it's against the rules when you're an home brewer, isn't it? Buying stuff. So any road up, I'm back. I'm going to try and do a vlog every week if that's possible, and see how we get on. And I'd like to thank people who have been in touch, and somebody mentioned me on Facebook, on the Facebook group, and I told them that I weren't all that great at the moment, and the support I got from everybody was great, and I appreciate that. So here we go then. So where do I start? Well, I start with a bloody good clean-up. So I'm going to do a few vlogs. I've got quite a few exciting ideas that I want to carry forward with the channel, and yeah, so it's clean-up time, and let's see how I crack on getting the equipment spotlessly clean, ready for my first brew. Got to get some grain. I've got some hops in the freezer, which I hope are okay. So let's look forward to a few vlogs from the old fart, and business as usual, I hope.